Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be discussing where your wrist should be on the left hand of the accordion. I've received this question a number of times and I finally decided to make a video about it. So when you're playing, your left hand plays the bass buttons. You can adjust how tight the strap is. And depending on how thick your wrist is, you might want to make it tighter or looser. Let me show you what happens when I loosen the strap. There's a little screw here, and when we make it loose, you see that it comes out. So when my strap is loose, this is what it looks like. I have a lot of room, I have a lot of wiggle room right here in my left hand of my strap. Now, what that allows is a huge range of mobility. I could jump from all the way up here to all the way down there, but when I pull, you see how the strap is? It's way too loose. Let me open up the bottom. It's way too loose, so I don't have control, and you see how my hand is like this, just to be able to get a little bit of pull there. If I make it too tight, I'm going to bring it all the way in. Now, this is what it looks like. This is an old accordion with an old strap from 1960s. This is what it's like when it's fully tight. Let's go a little bit more. And my hand can barely fit in. This distance isn't great, but this is easy to do. Look at this control that I have. I could do a lot of different techniques here. That's really easy to do, but it's hard for my hand to move up and down. I'm really struggling. So in songs where I have to jump from an E minor to an F major, I don't have that control, right? Because my hand is kind of sticking. Where I want the strap to be is loose enough that I have this control. That's a bit too loose. Is right around there. It's tight enough that I have the space to go up and down, but loose enough, it's loose enough that I can go up and down, but tight enough that when I play, this is me pulling out and this is me pushing in. You see, the strap doesn't move too much. It just allows for a little bit of that control to go out, I'm pulling this way, and to go in. There's still contact with the strap on my wrist. So going out, E minor. Great. Going in F major. Yeah, that's about as big a jump as I'm ever gonna do. And you see my hands can do that, and the strap is sticking to my wrist. Totally fine to wear a pocket watch. My wrist isn't that deep where my watch is hitting it. It's right around there. And yeah, the watch is a little bit high. But that's where my wrist is, right around here. That's where the strap sits. Yeah, I think that the camera's picking that up. So again, it's not fully in, it's not right here, so my fingers are struggling. My fingers have the ability to slide in and out. Again, everyone's hands are different, so you might need to push a little bit more if your fingers are short, or maybe have the accordion out here if your fingers are super long and you can reach out. But in general, you want to be able to have your ring finger along these rows, the second row where the actual key is, and your middle finger on the major, and the point finger on the minor. Right? There's not too much movement. This pretty much sticks, even on big jumps. Right? It's kind of my elbow that does that. My wrist pivots around here. It's just my fingers that go from G major to G flat, G sharp, right? Again, that's the biggest jump that you're gonna do. And as long as this strap is tight enough to support your wrist, that's great. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Like, subscribe, go to accordionlove.com to learn more songs and get the sheet music for those songs. Thank you.